Hey guys, so it's me back for another video where I will teach you how to get your headset, headphones or whatever to work if you plug it in both, if both of your jacks don't work. So I need you to open control panel. You can type it here, it will open this up. Click on hardware and sound, is it sound? Yeah. Click on speakers, on headphones, speakers, properties, go to advanced, and it will be set up on this one. What I want you to do is just click anything else, and that's preferably 16-bit if you're on 60-bit, but those will still work for you. What I want, then you will be able to hit apply, and okay, now your mic, your headphones would work.